Okay, welcome to another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. Been pretty excited about this one. This is another Oakleaf HD Plus in Alpine Mist for Jeff and Rowena. We've gone over tiles. They've got one room that was about 8 square metres with carpet, and the rest was tiles, pretty much 90 odd metres. And everybody quoted for them before us, wanted to take the tiles up for $6 grand. What a joke. Anyway, we just went straight over them and raised the office up by 17 mil, and cost about 250 bucks. And yeah, so you know, that's the way to do it. So let's have a look. This is a custom stair nose that drops to this lower room. Came out really nice. Really came out nice. Nice tight miters. This is the office which we raised up. Because we raised it up, the window sills were lower than the floor, so we just veneered those. Put a 12 mil. That's actually a weatherboard panel, just was the right size. Cupboards. Because of the tiling, the tile and the tile underlay went up to the skirts, and we basically destroyed all the skirting, removing it. So we've replaced all the skirting as well. Probably one of my best skirting jobs. Into the toilet, we went round the toilet, just corked that with really nice cork from Sublime in Seaford. Laundry, so we had to cork around the sink there, but everything else we undercut. We raised that up. It's the two partners in crime. Oh, it did come out lovely. I'm pretty proud of this one, I must admit. So we yeah.
Amazing job, though.
Thank you. Yeah. We undercut all the kickers. Came out pretty well using the blade. And then cupboards, of course. Same issue with the window sills. Yeah. But so that's Alpine Mist. It's now my new favourite. It is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, because this house, they built some kind of structure on the back of it, so it doesn't have as much light as it probably originally had. So the guys went for this. It's basically just light, a little bit lighter than the natural. So yeah, it looks really nice. Really nice features and knots and fills, and just so realistic. All this HD line is, like I say, I thought it would have been 30 scan boards with different colours. No, every set has a different set of scan boards. So yeah, like I say, there's 30 boards in each set, which you just don't get in most laminates. Have 4, if you're lucky 8, but it's extremely repetitive. This stuff just looks like real oak, except it's water resistant for 48 hours, basically waterproof, and you can't scratch it. So it took 11.5 man days, didn't it? God, this is 11.5 man days. Okay, thanks for watching. Smash a like on the video if you liked it. If you didn't, don't do anything. Cheers.